found this mower like couple hours ago. Guy said it didn't work. He said there's an issue with the fuel diaphragm, so that little thing in there. He also said take the spark plug out, make sure it works, make sure it's not dirty because it's been sitting on his porch for like a year. So I took the whole thing apart, cleaned it, put it back together, put some gas in it. Oil was fine. There's a cover off. There's ants all over it. I don't know why. Anyway, so it works. And I didn't think lawnmowers had a throttle body, but they do. It's right here. So I could sell the lawnmower we have now, or I could pop the motor out of this thing and turn this thing into a badass go-kart. That would be pretty cool. So I'm gonna go and start it up right now. Need to do this. Show you guys how this throttle body right here works. It's this little thing right there. You pull that tiny little thing right here. So right now it's on a spring. You just hold it. Except what I have here is a little thing that keeps this. The thing on the fan right there. So I'm gonna go and start it up, and I'll show you this. Show you this throttle body. Before I do that, it's one of these old things where you gotta 1, 2, 3. Alright, then, you know, you do the usual starter,